Hey yo, so welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today we'll be talking about choices, guys. Choices that we make every day in our lives. Do you know choices make our lives? So we'll be talking about choices, and every choice has a repercussion, that's consequences. So we'll be talking choices in terms of a man who's healed and a man who's not healed. That means a man of success and a man of value. So I'll explain further I'll explain further just right now, but man means man and woman. You get me? Yes, you get me. But without further ado, let's roll into the intro. So, as I said, we're talking about a man of value. Let me tackle value first, then I'll tackle success. So value means someone who's healed, and someone who's healed means someone who's tired of suffering, and they're just like, I do not want to suffer anymore, so I will live my life according to the way God wants me, and I will live my life according to the natural laws of a human being. That is ethics. That is the natural law. So a man who's healed and a woman who's healed, that is a man of value and a woman of value. And a man of value makes the right choices, follows all the rules, they do the right thing in the business. So let's take it, for instance, I am not a young man, I'm a young woman. But let's take it, for instance, a young man is going to work, is probably jobless right now, let's say. And they're being given a good deal to either do crypto, which is running into, like, currently, I don't know if it's crypto or it's trading, I don't know, that thing, just that thing. And then this person is not coming to you with the right intentions, but you, as a man of value, you're like, I have done my own research about this thing, and personally, I don't feel like it's something I really want to venture into because there's a lot of high uncertainty risk, and I don't want that. Yes, that's a man of value. You want to go into something that I will follow all the rules, and if I do the right thing, I will get the right results as a man. As a woman, you see, I know that there are so many people out here wanting to have young ladies as their people, and they want to pay them some peanuts and say, I'll take care of you. Nothing, zero is a lie. Is a lie. That is a lie. But if you agree to that, my guys, you're not a woman of value. A woman of value is a woman who's principled, who's like, you cannot put like a price on me. Yeah, I will study, I will get the right papers that I need, and I will go find a good job, or I will work hard, or I'll get a loan and set up a good job so that I can do 1, 2, 3. The same thing for a man. If you're running a business, do not run a business whereby you have to hunger people. It's not good. So that's for a value. Now we go to success. Success is whereby, by fire, by force, I will do anything that I can do to just get the money and be wealthy. Yeah, that is success. And that person has no principles. Is like a person who sets up a massage parlor. Have you heard of these massage parlors and barber shops and spas? There are people who set up the spas and barber shops, and they are there. The owner is setting these things up with principles, but the people who go and work there, they have their own agendas. They have their own agendas down there, deep down. Now they go, they massage these people, and they tell them, do you want happy hour? Unataka kufeel vizuri. And they are there. They tell this person, ati itabidi uongeze pesa. You'll have to add some money so that I can make you feel good. You know what? You do not have to be that kind of person. Just make the right choices, because in the end, this business is going to come and fall. Those people's husbands you're touching, trying to make them feel good. Their wives, they will come there, and it's going to be chaos, and that business is going to be closed. Why suffer? Why would you want yourself to suffer in the long run? do something that is sustainable, do something that is right according to the eyes of God and the eyes of man. Yeah? So let's be people of value and not people of success, and in the long run you will actually appreciate being a person of value. You'll not rush to doing things, you'll not rush to wanting money. Uko to most too, and everything is gonna be all right. So my guys, that's it for today. Think about it, meditate on it. Do I want to be a person of value, or do I want to be a person of success? Think about it. Just think about it this whole week, and with that you can make your goals and your choices, and you are going to see a huge change in your life. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next episode. Stay tuned. To our new subscribers, thank you and welcome to the family. Make sure you share and let people know more about this. So bye bye guys. I love you more and every day. Thank you for staying tuned. See you in the next episode.